In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and download TikTok ads invoices. Keeping your ad invoices organized is essential for bookkeeping, expense tracking, and tax time. So let's walk through the process clearly and efficiently. Start by opening your TikTok ads account, also known as TikTok Ads Manager. Sign in as you normally would and make sure you're in the correct ad account, especially if you manage more than one. If you see a drop-down for accounts, confirm the one tied to the invoices you need is selected. It's best to do this on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, since some billing options may be harder to find on mobile. Once your account is open, look for the settings area. Depending on your layout, this can appear as a gear icon, a settings link in the left-hand navigation, or under your profile or account menu at the top right. If you don't see settings immediately, scroll down the sidebar until it appears. The key is to get into the General Account Settings section before moving on. Inside Settings, find and click Finance. This is where TikTok groups your billing details, payment methods, transaction history, and, importantly, your invoices. If finance isn't visible, you may need higher permissions on the account, or you might need to switch from a simplified view to the full Ads Manager interface. Next, select Invoices. This page displays your available invoices by date and type. You'll typically see details such as invoice number, billing period, amount, status, and sometimes the payment method associated with that charge. If you manage multiple billing profiles or currencies, verify you're viewing the correct profile so you get the right set of documents. From here, choose the invoice you want and click Download. Most invoices are provided as PDF files, which makes them easy to save, email, or upload to your accounting software. If filters are available, use them to narrow by date range or status. This is handy when you need all invoices for a specific month or quarter. If an invoice hasn't generated yet, it may be tied to your billing cycle. Try checking back after the cycle closes. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you can't find finance or invoices, check your user role with the account owner or admin. If the download doesn't start, try a different browser or disable pop-up blockers temporarily. And once downloaded, rename your files with a consistent format, like year, month, and account name, to keep your records clean. That's it. You opened your TikTok ads account, went into settings, opened finance, selected invoices, and downloaded the files you need. Keep these steps handy and your billing records will always be just a few clicks away.